go and talk to like 500 people every day. This is the best time to actually apply, even if you're looking for a job 1 year from now. So I'll share with you some of the learnings that I've had while talking to all these students. So when you're positioning even your part-time job, position it as that this why you did it was not just for some money. Skills are more important than degree. It's important to know it firsthand before we advise anybody. That's why we are here. Study abroad with Piyush. If you are planning to study in the UK, watch the video until the end and subscribe to the channel. So far you have not gotten any opportunities. So I'll share with you some of the learnings that I've had while talking to all these students. There are two things. One, while you are studying, so study your curriculum, but already start looking at job descriptions of the jobs that you want to get. So they will not just look at, they will have a lot of skills. So there could be technical skills and there could be soft skills. Soft skills could be communication, teamwork, leadership, all of these things. And hard skills could be certain like knowing R, Python, and some of the tools that you might need in data science. So make sure you are not just dependent on the curriculum. You're doing certifications, you're doing projects, you're utilizing those skills in your work, because that is what you will have to, when you will showcase that, then you will become really relevant for those employers. So don't be completely dependent only on the university curriculum. So that is one big learning that I've had, that skills are more important than degree. So skill is something you have to have demonstrated. So figure out a way, and even for your part-time jobs, right? Even if you're working at a warehouse, it is coordination, time management, teamwork, and making sure you are following the standard operating procedures. So there's a lot of learning which is there. So when you are positioning even your part-time job, position it as that this why you did it was not just for some money. You did it for learning all these skills, right? So that is going to be, I think, very helpful. Also, I think the second point is start applying today, because there will be a lot of companies that will be having graduate programs, which are for undergrad guys also, because you have not completed your master's, but start applying for them. And this is the best time to actually apply, even if you're looking for a job 1 year from now. So you apply now, keep following up with them, and maybe you will get a job in 6 months time with those companies, and they will give you a starting date after 6 months when you are graduating. So some companies will say that you need to be on the graduate visa only to get a job, but that connect with that company should start now. That they will say that okay, you will not get eligible because you are not on graduate visa, you are on student visa. So once you have your graduate visa, then you can tell them that, see, I'm already I've taken my graduate visa, so now can I be my updated resume as well, and this is can I be eligible. So don't wait, your settlement time is over, so you need to start working hard from today. And I would love to see you all very successful, but students are finding it difficult to get a job in their field of study, right? So you'll get a full-time job, but getting a full-time job in data science is going to be very competitive. You need to show your skills, you need to show your intent, be persistent with the employers, right? And of course, this will also be a good time for you to develop your communication skills, your confidence. You need to go out there. You need to just go and talk to like 500 people every day, right? And just so that you are confident in presenting yourself. So I think from that part, that's all I have to free advice. But that's what I've learned in the last 2 weeks by talking to all the students. I'm just sharing with you. And Piyush will be publishing it on Study Abroad with Piyush. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. And I hope we are successful in our mission, be able to send it